Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your JBL Tune 115 available on iOS devices? So, if we open application what JBL offer for the headphones and try to edit, we can see right here, and I will show you that we can click on this plus, and right here we have supported devices. So we should find Tune series, we have it right here, and if we scroll it, we can see that there is no our model here. So my short answer is no, it's not available on iOS devices. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!